What you may or may not be aware of is that Word automatically saves for you every so many minutes. For example, if I click on File in the ribbon and I click on Options, I have the option Save on the left-hand side. By default, Word will save every 10 minutes, and it'll keep a temporary copy of your file every 10 minutes, and there will be various versions of your file because of this saving every 10 minutes. This option is quite good too, and that is to keep the last auto-saved version of your file if you close without saving, and this will enable you to quickly return to the last automatically saved version of your file. If I click Cancel and go to the File tab in the ribbon, the idea is that you have versions here, and unfortunately I have no previous versions of this file, but I can show you another file that I have got previous versions of. So I'm just going to dive over to this file, and I'll take you into File, and here you can see various versions of the file. Each of these has been saved every 10 minutes, and I can return to any particular earlier version of the file simply by clicking. If I click an earlier version, it will open the file as read-only, and I'll have to save it with its own name and its own location. The other thing to be aware of is under Manage Versions, you can also recover any unsaved documents. If I click this option here, it'll bring up a list of any files that I haven't saved and closed, and I can return to any of those files, which is quite useful as well. But I'll go Cancel. So be aware that if you are wanting to go back to an earlier version of your file, it's under File, Info and Versions. And if you want to go back to any files that you closed without saving, that's available in here.